Hey, your dog's about to fall into that pot!
My fans want to see me make this buttery lobster.
Hey! Give me my lobster back!
She only wants the lobster back, not the dog. Oh man, thank you.
Hey, are you okay?
Prepare for takeoff.
That way. Copy that.
The yacht is about to blow!
Is there anyone still on the yacht?
Just that rude woman who only cared about her lobster.
Army, confirm.
Subscribe if you love Daw.